Welcome everyone. In this video I'll be showing how to pick items in Blender. So before this video started, I made a simple animation like this. As see, my character is picking the item, but like his hand is clipping through it without picking. So how to fix it? Like, go to the frame where he touched the item, go to object mode, select the sword, go to this wheel like structure, then before anything press E to answer his keyframe, then child off. After that we select the armature. As you see, we notice that it's go away, so we put set inverse, we right click on influence and answer keyframe. After that we put all the way to 0. Frame later, put all the way to 1, and if auto keying is enabled, it will put keyframe by its own. So now for like connecting into the armature, you need to select the bone where you want to be connected, because as you see, it just passed through. So return to this frame, go to the player rig, pose mode, select the bone that you want it to be connected. I have specific like bone named hand arc count. By the way, the name of the bone will be right here. So hand arc count. So return back to object mode, sword, and write the name and arc count, and set inverse again. Heal the animation. But as you see, it's like clipping through, it's not good. Fix it by animating like the sword. As see, here we have our animation ready. Also, you could adjust it as you like and as you want. So a bonus tip for this video, like for the lighting, as you see, his face, his back, every place of this map is littered because I used the dry lights. So how to import it? You put Shift A, go to lights, and you have 3-point light, but it's not always there because you will need to like go to edit, preferences, on the add-on menu, from all go to lighting and select the dry lighting like that. So that was the tutorial, and this is how the animation went. So if you don't even know how to make this animation, the link will be in the description for the previous video on how to make animation in Blender. So that's all guys, see you next time. I'm your host XBLade, signing out.